Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect your LG Magic Remote and reconnect it. So if you have some sort of issue with it, the first thing you should always do is just check the batteries. Make sure your batteries are working and just take these out, flip them around. Now, what I want to do to disconnect it is hold down the home button and the back button and hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds. And it should show up on the bottom of the screen when it disconnects. So let's hold this down, home and back button. And it should say after about 5 to 10 seconds on the bottom of the screen, remote registration is disconnected. Please press the OK wheel to reconnect. So the OK wheel, so you got this little scrolly wheel in the middle right here, goes up and down. Just click it in. So if I click it in now, I should be able to reconnect to the TV. Registering a new remote successfully registered. So I'm able to use this remote now, very easy. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.